Rexroth A10VSO28 pump parts for piston pump repair. Rexroth piston pumps are complex in structure, require high material and processing accuracy, large processing volume, and expensive. Therefore, they should be maintained and refurbished in daily use, which can save you more costs. Elephant Fluid Power provides A10VSO28 replacement piston pumps and pump parts such as cylinder plug, valve plate, retainer plate, piston, shaft replacement. All these parts can use same with original. Not only that, we can also provide a full range of Rexroth spare parts for refurbishment and repair. If you have any problems with your pumps, motors or if requirements for hydraulic components, you can connect with us. Elephant Fluid Power is ready to work with you and make a good start with you.